महावीर जी ने मुझे फिल्म दिखाई, I was so moved by the film. I was so touched by the entire cast who's over here. I've been a big fan of Pankaj ji. मतलब Office तो I think I've grown up on Office. उस तरीके की writing आती नहीं है आजकल. But I think Binny and Family is bringing back those family values, and you can watch it with your entire family. So there's a genuinely, it's my privilege to be here, and I'm here as a family member. I'm here. She's my niece, but I'm here like sort of an elder brother. Just to appeal to everyone. हम लोग WhatsApp ग्रुप में, फैमिली ग्रुप्स में लिखते हैं ना कि ये देखो अच्छी पिक्चर है, तो दैट्स माई अपील. आप जाके देखिए अपने फैमिली के साथ, दोस्तों के साथ, बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड जिसके साथ भी देखना है, बट इट्स अ गुड फिल्म. इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. एंड लाइक माई फादर नेवर लॉन्च्ड मी, बिकॉज वो परंपरा नहीं है हमारे फैमिली में ऐसे. ही डजंट बिलीव इन दैट. सो वी हैव नो हैंड इन वॉट शी इज डन. सो इट बी रॉन्ग फॉर मी टू टेक एनी credit of her success. Genuinely, she's done this by herself. I'm very proud of you that you've done this journey by yourself.
I just want to say this much, that it's a beautiful film. When I was shown the film by Mahavir ji, I was very, very happy, and I told him I'd love to present the film because grandparents are that part of our family that cinema has not given enough importance to. And yes, kyunki he had Ba, which I feel was also a big part of what we wanted to say, that as people get older, we start thinking they're irrelevant and we start forgetting them. Now when I see my father with my son, and I can come out and go out and do things because my parents take care of my child, which in so many homes grandparents do. So they develop a even better relationship with the children than you can have, because you are living life and they see their youth in your child, and then they connect with your child, and yet this one relationship no one has captured in films. So I'm so proud that Mahavir ji ने ये पिक्चर बनाई.
मेरा जो कैरेक्टर है वो बेसिकली 2 जनरेशन के बीच में पिसने वाला कैरेक्टर है. सो मेरे अंदर बदलाव सिर्फ यही आया है कि इनफैक्ट आई एम वर्किंग एंड वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड कि because my parents, they stay in Bihar, so my mother, is suffering from Alzheimer's. She doesn't know who am I, so it's only father and my both my son. तो इन दोनों के बीच में अब रिलेशन पता नहीं, मैं कॉन्शियसली इस फिल्म के बाद कुछ और ही लेवल पे लेके जाने की कोशिश करता हूँ. सो दे आर नाउ वेरी इंटरेक्टिव थैंक्स टू बीच वाला जनरेशन. सो आई थिंक कि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमारी ज़्यादा होती है. हम सिर्फ ये कह दें कि टीनेजर शुड टेक एन इनिशिएटिव और ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स शुड टेक एन इनिशिएटिव. आई थिंक इट्स मोर अबाउट द पेरेंट्स हु हैज़ टू फिट दैट थिंग इन देयर हेड कि दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए उतने ही ज़रूरी हो जितना हमारे लिए.
This film, the first time Sanjay sir narrated it to me, nothing felt so right. Because growing up, I have been very, very close to my grandparents. I've had a very close relationship with my grandparents. They're way cooler than my parents, way more modern than my parents, and my parents sitting there have to agree. I was really, really close to my Nana growing up, and I lost him just a year before I heard the script. So I was in a place where I was not doing so well emotionally, and Sanjay sir has written this story with all heart, all honesty, and just a whole lot of emotion. And when I heard it for the first time, I don't want to cry. Nothing felt so right. I felt like it was a sign. I felt like this is, because not every day is a grandfather-granddaughter film made. It's not the most common topic in films today. So I felt it was sent to me from him, and it just felt really right.
थोड़ा अजीब लगता है कि मम्मी पापा ने अभी डांटा है और फिर आप बेबी के रूम में आते हो और बच्ची भी डांट रही हो आपको, और फिर बीवी भी डांटती है, तो उस वक्त आप सोचते हो कि आपका पोजीशन क्या है घर पे. बट या नो, बट लाइक राजेश सेड, आई मीन वी कॉल, आई गेस वी कॉल दिस टर्म अडल्टिंग व्हेन यू आर इन बिटवीन ऑफ बोथ दी सिचुएशंस. आई एम वेरी लकी कि मेरा एक बड़ा भाई है जो बहुत वो लोड भी लेता है. सो व्हेनेवर देयर इज, आई थिंक व्हाट बिकम्स एक्सट्रीमली scary or difficult at that point for the child is the parents' health. वो health जो चीज़ है वो हमें मतलब वो अभी हमें लेना पड़ता है. जब हम छोटे होते तो माँ बाप हमारी फिक्र करते हैं, अभी भी करते हैं. Obviously my mother is here, अभी भी बहुत वरी करती है हमारे बारे में, बट हम करते हैं. But same way for, I think, my brother Siddharth and my sister Shilpa, who are also here. It's a situation that we navigate through, and then we, like, I derive all my strength from my mother, and I'm sure that they must be getting theirs also from their mother, Rashmi Chachi.